Hello everyone. So today in this very short video we'll be discussing about the topic psychometric test and its relevance. So starting with the very basic meaning of psychometric, which basically comes from the word psycho plus metric. So psycho means mental and metric means measurement. So a psychometric assessment generally measure the mental abilities of any candidate. So here you can see that we will be discussing about the various type of psychometric assessment. So these can be divided into two parts. One is the ability test, through which the psychometric part generally measures about the cognitive skills as well as the aptitude and intelligence skills of a candidate. But here we are majorly focused upon the personality test. The personality test is basically based on the trait analysis, which generally tells that a candidate is of which type of personality, which is based on several parameters which we'll be discussing on later. So we'll now come on to the process of the psychometric test. So starting with the process, it is first very important to understand that what is the process of having a psychometric test. So it depends upon the assessor that how they want to take the test. It can be in offline mode, it can be in online mode, but the major part is taking the responses from the candidates. So various questions on the related parameters are asked. Suppose a recruiter wants to assess that how a candidate will go into the job, what personality is required. So they'll develop questions depending on what the objective is, and as per that objectives, the questionnaire or online in physical mode, the responses from the candidates is taken, which is the primary data which is majorly required for any type of analysis. And the second portion of the process is the in-depth analysis. Once those responses are received, it is very important to segregate those responses in accordance with the relative psychometric abilities or traits the specific candidates are having. And so this process consists of only these 2 points, but these 2 points consist of overall process, after which a very in-depth analysis is being done. And so the analysis part start after this process. So coming on to the analysis, you need to understand that what is the core objective of the psychometric test, and analysis is basically focused on the personality traits which a student or a candidate need to learn or understand about himself. So we'll now discuss about the analysis part. So coming on to the analysis part, once the responses are recorded, the analysis will basically tell a candidate upon the following assessment parameters, which is from the beginning I am telling you it is the trait. Means letting them know what actually personality trait they belong to, so that they can understand their level about themselves, that how they'll assess themselves to go into any job opportunity, into higher education, whatever decision they need to strategize their path regarding that, they can take this decision as per their personality trait. The second point is the ability. Suppose we say that they are a good decision maker, they have good ability to make some good strengthening communication with the peers. So these all abilities can also be known from this test. And the last one is behavioral style, which in itself says that the behavior or the several type of things related to their attitude and several different aspects can be measured with the responses of those things. So in the last we'll come to the conclusion to let you know that what actually in overall this test will be conducting and what can be done, what is the total outcome of that. So the basic conclusion is that this overall test is basically required by the recruiters either of the public sector or the private sector enterprise, and it is a must-go requirement at the current scenario, because every recruiter want to assess the candidates based on their personality, so that they want to know that they'll be going into the organization for a longer period of time, what mindset they have, what actually they want, they are clear about their career path or not. And also it is important in aspects to the candidate, so that they can understand they want to go for higher studies, which path they want to see, what are their long-term and short-term goals. So there are various aspects. So I believe that each and every candidate should take this test at whatever level they are. It will definitely make them understand what they want in life. So I definitely request everyone to take this test wherever and however you can take, and everybody connected to me can definitely ping me or get in touch so that this test can be conducted. And thank you so much. With your courage, you can please comment into the comment box. Thank you.